So in this year, I've found myself joining all kind of Facebook groups that are not necessarily the level up group, because I feel like I'm still leveling up, but I want to join something different. The person who actually gave me the energy and the essence, or push, the motivation. No, that's what I'm looking for. The woman who gave me the motivation to completely change my life, and I'm just gonna say it, I've been saying it for so long. But I genuinely enjoy Shanika Adams' content, okay? That woman is so great in giving you examples and actually showing you the results of what it means to be leveled up in life and secure with yourself. Like it is in energy, it's a manifestation that is unmatched. And one time she had a podcast that I had listened to, and she also shared it on her story, and it'll stick with me. And when I tell you that it's beating me in my head now, it is beating me in my head now, and I should have took heed to her word when she said, you cannot be friends with somebody who want your life. They have to be secure and happy with their own life. If those words ever come out of their mouth, instead of being like, oh, I'm happy, can you show me how to do this? Instead of saying, I want your life. You cannot be friends with someone who wants your life, someone who don't value themselves, and someone who is a pick-me if you're not a pick-me. I'm not talking to any pick-me's on this channel, and if I am, baby, we got to get you up out of her, because the only person you picking is you, okay? We don't pick, we get chose. And most of the time, the ones doing the choosing, we don't even want them, okay? So we're not in that. We're not in that no more. But I just wanted to come on here and give this short little rant and get some things off my chest. I will be back doing my weekly videos. Your girl has just been living her best life. I have been to Aruba this year. Let me just think about all the places I've been. I've been to Aruba. I've been to Mexico twice. And I've been to Canada 3 times. And now I'm going to Jamaica this coming weekend. And that is exactly what we are about to get ready for, is this Jamaica trip coming up. I'm super excited. I got so many things going on today, and I'm gonna take you guys with me and getting ready for this bomb ass trip that I'm about to go on. So yeah, so what we're about to do today, because Lord knows I need to clean up my place a little bit. I'm going to get my nails done today, and then I'm also going to try to get my hair done as soon as possible. As soon as we get finished with this right here, I'm going to get my hair done. So yeah, see y'all in a bit.
However you want me.
Woo! What do y'all think? Okay, so I'm back, and it's definitely giving vacation hair. Okay. It took 5 hours for them to do it, and that's normally how long it takes. So yeah, shout out to Keen Hair Braiding. Okay, shout out to them. We're using this to oil my scalp. When I tell you this is it right here, I mean, that's all I need to say. Like, it done really grew my edges all the way back out to the point to where I'm not worrying about my edges looking bald when I get my hair done now. Like, the girls who know, when you've been wearing wigs for an extremely long time, your fucking edges is gonna fall out. I'm sorry, I don't care how protected you think your hair is. The edges is gonna be the first thing to go, and then you're gonna have to do something about it. But yeah, when you're ready to do something about it, it's just your thing, okay? Right here. Actually, I'll go 20 on each side. I'm just so happy I started doing my face routine before I go and get in the bathtub, so that as soon as I get out of the bathtub, I can just feel good and go right to bed.
Oh, this one is skin grafted. Skin grafted? No way. I've never seen that done before.
Are those my mother's surgical tapes?
We should watch the skin grafting one.
The cloud cover.
It's just one of them days that a girl goes through. Okay, so happy Wednesday. It is the next day, and we got maybe like one thing done yesterday, as y'all can see. So today is going to be me and Camille's bonding day, I guess you can say that, because she was sick and she got a school note for 2 days. Okay, so yesterday she went to work, so today she got another free day, which is good. So today I'm going to clean up a little bit in this house. Lord knows it needs to be straightened up, and I'm gonna go get my nails done. I need to pop these ones off real quick, and then Lord help me, we're packing.
See? Smooth.
What's up, you guys? So your girl just got finished with my nails. They look so good. Yes, very cute, very classy, very demure. We already know. Okay, so yeah, we are about to go grab a bite to eat. It's Wednesday and it's extremely hot outside. Yeah, your girl is hungry and I'm ready for a drink. So we about to meet up with Tima and do that. Y'all coming with us? Y'all can see where we go and have our Wind Down Wednesday cocktail. That's what we like to call it. And we survived half the week. Thank you, God. Sending all of these blessings to all my subscribers watching. I love you guys. But yeah, let's go have a bite to eat and do what we do on Wednesday after work. Who? Girl has reached a whole new level of adulting. I am packing like a whole week early now. I got these things right here from TJ Maxx. I got 2 of them, so we're gonna see how they work. So I was trying to figure out how you're supposed to work these, and on here it says you're just supposed to roll it. And in this one it comes with 4, and this is what they look like. But I like how big they are. Ooh, look how big that is. It looks like I can pack a whole week's clothes in here. So we are about to pack as much as we can in this bag.
Talk to your brother.